If Monster Strike multiplayer matches keep crashing, it's usually tied to device performance, network issues, or corrupted game data. Here's the main fixes you can try. First, check device performance. Close all background apps before launching Monster Strike. Start your device before playing, and then if your device is older or lower in performance or overheating, it can cause crashes during multiplayer. Second, stabilize your internet. Multiplayer matches are very sensitive to network drops. Use a strong Wi Fi connection instead of mobile data. If on Wi Fi, try restarting your router or switching to a different network, and avoid using VPNs or proxies. Third, clear cache or data on Android. So you have to go to Settings, then search for Apps, then search for Monster Strike, scroll down and click on Storage. Tap Clear Cache first, then try the game. If the issue is persist, use Clear Data. This will force a re-download of the game files. Fourth, reinstall game. Uninstall Monster Strike and restart your phone, then reinstall the latest version from Google Play Store. Fifth, sync device settings. Make sure device date and time are set on automatic. Out of sync system clock can sometimes break multiplayer matchmaking. Sixth, update everything. Update Monster Strike to the latest version, and update your device OS as well. Compatibility fixes often come through system updates. Seventh, and that's your last resort, compatibility issues. If it still crashes, your device may not fully support the current version of Monster Strike. Try playing a different device to confirm it's device specific. Check official Monster Strike support and social media for bug reports. Sometimes it's a server side bug affecting multiplayer. And a quick tip, many players report that crashes in multiplayer are often due to unstable Wi Fi or outdated app files. Reinstalling and switching networks usually fix it. And that's it.